What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I got something special. We're gonna do a little install. Maybe you'll like it, maybe you won't. I know I will. Let's get into what we're installing. And one more thing I want to address before we get started. Also, it's getting ready to rain, so I wanted to make it quick. I have been absent. I've been kind of procrastinating a lot and just haven't had the influence to continue with the channel, but now I'm gonna try and for sure now going to continue making videos, even if it's just daily vlogs whenever I have time, because I do work 2 jobs, unfortunately, but got to make a living somewhere. You got to start somewhere also. So my apologies for being absent. I'll start posting more often. That way we can start bringing more car content as far as modifications and stuff like that. So before we get started, I do want to address the louver that has disappeared. Yes, the rear louver is gone. I have replaced it with the roof spoiler, fully rubber, from Spoiler King. And yes, the back shield is still kind of dirty. That's also because of water spots and the adhesive glue that helps bond with adhesive tapes and stuff to kind of make it stronger. I can't think of the name of it right off the bat, so pretty sure you would know what I'm talking about. And then also with that, we did the ZL1 duckbill spoiler. It is what they call the polished, where it's gloss with tint, and then you got flat black on the front. They call it a polish. I don't know why. I guess it's just because it's like a two-tone. But yeah, I think it came out pretty good. Let me know what y'all think down below in the comments of should have I really gotten rid of the louver and replaced it. Me myself, I love the louver and all, but I think this just looks a lot cleaner from appearance, especially whenever you have it with the duckbill spoiler. So y'all just let me know in the comments what you guys think. Yes, it is exactly what you see. It is carbon fiber overlays that I've gotten from Carbon Addons, my mistake. And it's something a little different, something to spoof up the interior. If you would like to see how kind of bland it is and get rid of that silver that's over there. But yeah, we're going to carbon fiber my interior, and I'm going to try to do the best I can on an install. I've never done an install video before, so this will be the first time, so you'll have to bear with me a little bit. But before I keep on jabbering my jaws, let's get started. Alrighty guys, I got you sitting on my steering wheel. We're going to crack one of these open and see what we got. We're going to do the shifter cover first. And of course, in the directions it says you're going to have to take alcohol wipes or any kind of alcohol and wipe down, just so get all the loose dirt, debris, all that kind of stuff out of the way. That way it can be just a nice, simple, easy stick on, and you should have no issues of it coming off in the future. So let's see if I can get this son of a gun open. Son of a gun. Alright, here we are. We got the side piece. It's going to go on there. Let y'all look. Oh, it fell off. But it's going to go. It's kind of hard to do it one-handed. It's going to go on like that. Once I get the tape off. Because all it is just 3M tape. I'll just go on there like that. So, let me open the rest. And then I'll get the alcohol wipe. Start wiping it down. And then we'll move forward. Alright, we just got to get her wiped down real quick. Wipe it down all the way around, make it happy. Alright, now we just let her dry. That's a lot of dirt that's on there. Alrighty, so after peeling the tape off, it's not really the heavy duty tape necessarily, it's very clear. But let's get it on there and see what it looks like. Alrighty, and there we have the top side done. Now let's get the other two sides on and see what it looks like. Alrighty, and there we are. We are complete. The only kind of downside I have with it is the fact that it's got gaps in these corners right here. And no matter how you push up on it, it won't push up at all. But other than that, looks good. It's nice and seated. Alrighty guys, so now we're going to do the climate control. So get your little isopropyl alcohol, little wipe, and then we just wipe it down. Wipe it down really, really good if you want it to stick. This shouldn't harm anything as far as plastic goes. Just gets all the dirt and debris off of it. So I'm thinking about, once I get done with this section right here, I'm just going to make this to a two-parter. Just because it's humid, it's getting ready to rain here shortly, and it's going to be really humid afterwards. So we're going to make this into a two-parter, and whenever, probably end of the week, I'll do the other several pieces I got. So without further ado, let's get this on, because I'm going to have both hands. So I'll show y'all the aftermath. Alrighty guys, I got the climate control on every piece, and I think it looks really good. Tell me what you guys think. That blue is just popping on camera. Man, that looks good. I like it. Yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys think, because I like blue. Blue's my favorite color if you haven't noticed. But like I said, I got this piece I gotta do. I got the center console I gotta do. Other than that, I'll be finished. And there's several more pieces I gotta get, like the door panel or the door handle covers, door panels, where the headlight switch is, the glove box. There's a lot more pieces I gotta get. And this whole car is gonna be looking mighty blue, but it has no emotions. Blue. Alrighty guys, that concludes part 1 of 2. Part 2 will be filmed Friday, and it'll be the same way as that. I ain't gonna be able to show y'all exactly what I'm supposed to be doing. I can only show you the aftermath, before and after. And it's pretty simple setup if you know how to mess with 3M tape and how to clean. It's very simple install. So let me know what you guys think down below. What you think of the blue? Should I have went black, carbon, marble, or red? I'd like to hear your thoughts. And I'm going to get more active, get the channel going, even if it's just random vlogs, driving around, POVs. I want to start pushing out more content between this and my TikTok account. Trying to push out more content, trying to get more out there into the algorithm. So if you guys don't mind subscribing, like, comments, I'd like to hear from you guys. But until next time, I'll see y'all in part 2.